No worries if you don't have wallet access. I've got your back in a major way. Today I'm dropping one of the wildest plays to pull off a stealthy rug and walk away with serious gains. No sweat. Trust me, this one's so nuts your crew will think it's a movie. But before diving into this cash stacking madness, there's a crucial detail you've got to lock in. Your MemeCoin's explosive potential hinges entirely on the platform you choose to launch and fuel the hype. Forget pump fun. Seriously, erase it from your plans. That route's a total dead end. Instead, go straight to Photon, turn on the pump fund filter, and boom! Coins like Froggy and Sol will flood your screen. But here's the truth, they're doomed from the jump. Pump Fund is just a spam factory where beginners churn out low-effort coins that vanish faster than your morning coffee. Now let's break down Radium, apply the right filters, and you'll instantly see the difference. Way less junk, way more legit tokens. Just 6 new listings in 5 minutes, and those market cap numbers, straight fire. The secret sauce, a technical barrier that weeds out rookies. Only solid projects and experienced teams survive here. Exactly what creates a perfect cash-out window, and I'm about to show you how to take full advantage. Enter Bitlik Sol, your cheat code for launching on Radium. No tech background needed, no dev headaches. Just pure, streamlined token creation like ordering from a food app. I've been using this exact tool to rack up wins lately. Here's how I do it. Grab an animal-themed pic from Google. Trust me, these always slap. I choose this goat picture. Open Canva, set a 128 by 128 canvas. Drop your image in, clean it up, and press Create Public Link, then simply just copy it. Instant pro branding for $0. Now, crack open Bitlik Sol and connect your Phantom wallet. You'll approve a couple quick prompts, then jump right into building your token. The form that opens will ask for your token name and symbol. These are required and case sensitive. Don't mess it up. You can also add a fun description for flair. I'm going with Goat enters the MemeCoin arena. Keep it playful but punchy. Upload the slick logo you made, then hit next. Money settings pop up next. Don't change anything. Just roll with the default values and keep moving. Hit skip, and now most important, revoke authorities. Super important. Keep all these on. Turning them off makes your coin look sketchy and unsafe. These are preset for trust and transparency. Leave them untouched. Ready? Hit launch my token. Let me enter my password. Then warning may pop up, but it's okay. Just press proceed anyway. Confirm the transaction. There will be a couple of them, and to create your own token, it will cost around 0.6 Sol, and basically this nothing, because we make much more in the end of the video. Confirm the transactions, a little bit of fee of the Solana and the fee of the site. Developer Bitlix will charge only 0.1 Sol. So we need to appreciate that they give us such crazy opportunity, and boom, you're live. Confirmation appears on screen with all the token information. Pro tip, click the last field to monitor your token via SolScan. It's the go-to for checking stats and verifying your project's live data. Always check your token there for max protection. Next, we're setting up your liquidity pool. Copy your token address from the top field. Click Create Liquidity Pool. This takes you to Radium. Reconnect Phantom if needed. Paste your token in the base token field. Fill in token name and symbol. Add the token. Set max supply to 1 billion, but use only 900 million. Select SOL as the quote token, max it out. Deduct 0.2 SOL for the setup fee. Pro tip, go full send with liquidity. As the first buyer, you're protected. Pick the 2% fee tier. Hit Initialize Liquidity Pool and approve with Phantom. With that done, fire up Photon again, filter for Radium, and your MemeCoin will show up in the live list. Now head over to Dex Screener, paste in your token address, and load up the chart. You'll likely see some early bot trades. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Just chill and wait for real buyers to roll in. Meanwhile, open Radium and check out the Portfolio tab. Here you'll see your balance, open positions, and most importantly, where to cash out liquidity for those sweet profits. Use standard view and give it 10 to 15 minutes for your position to show up. No stress if it takes a bit. Boom, first buyer just landed. Volume's picking up fast, this is only the start. Radium coins tend to spike quick with insane upside. More heavy hitters are definitely coming. Watch that chart, another whale just hopped in. Told you this strategy hits hard if you move early. Ride the wave while it's hot. Meme coins are still king in 2025, and the gains are insane. Another juicy buy just popped. My bags already look fat. Now, time to move smart and cash out. Back to Radium, log in with your creator wallet. Go to Portfolio, find your position, and click the minus icon to withdraw. Max out the slider to 100%. Check your estimated payout, hit remove liquidity, and confirm with Phantom. Done, funds land in your wallet instantly. Just checked my Phantom wallet and boom, the cash is there. All from a quick rinse and repeat method that still works like magic. But fair warning, this won't last forever. Platforms change. So grab the opportunity while it's still open. All tools I used are linked below. No affiliations, no sponsors. Disclaimer, this is purely educational content, not financial advice or endorsements.